Go ahead.
My name's Katie.
My name is Scott. Married couple for coming on 4 years in like 2 weeks, right? Anniversary.
Glad you remember.
Yeah.
We renovated the kitchen, complete gut job, and as you can see, it is gorgeous. Very happy with the work. We also updated the living room, fireplace, banisters on the stairs, and the bedroom upstairs. We also added a wall to make it a true one bedroom instead of a lofted studio.
Yeah. Well, the way we came about finding Chapter was all Katie, really.
It was. A lot of Google searches, spoke to some friends who had gone through renovations in the past, heard several horror stories. So that made me really dive into the reviews. And Chapter, as you guys have probably seen, have great reviews.
Yeah.
This was our first renovation, and there was absolutely no pressure. And then we met the rest of the team, Nicole and Gabrielle, and it just felt like a family, a small company that you trusted. And we want to have them all over for Thanksgiving one day. Top 3 things I love most about the renovation is one, the design. I feel like it really reflects us. We wanted modern, but not sterile, comfortable and homey, but not country. And I feel like we got that in the design. So that would probably be my top. And then we did little quirky things, I think, to really fit our lifestyle. We included open shelves here for our garden. They're not there now, but they will be. We have a little dog nook for our dog, Willie Nelson, who you might hear on this video in the background. And then we have a Dutch door upstairs, so we can use that as a dog door. There's Willie. Yeah. But a lot of things we love about the design.
Yeah, I would say for me, I think that the 2 shades of green with the cabinets just turned out really, really, really cool. And this is a light that you'll probably see later that it was Katie's grandmother, that we didn't know what we were gonna do with it. We brought it up and we asked the Chapter team if they could potentially hang it. And I think it looks really super cool with the green connecting with the cabinet. So something that's not really in the original project or the design, but I think it turned out really, really well. So I'm really happy with that.
We would 1,000% recommend Chapter. We actually already have.
Yeah.
So the proof is in the pudding, and down the road, if we ever have an opportunity to renovate anything else, we would absolutely come back to Chapter.
Yeah, it was a great experience. And that's Willie drinking his water. Good boy.